Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong love reading for April 2024 para to sa mga in a relationship at sa single. Ayan. So, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang mga reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 30% discount hanggang March 20, 2024. So, yung link na sa description at sa pinned comment kung gusto nyong mag-book for a private reading. Okay, unahin muna natin yung mga in a relationship na Taurus. What's coming to your love life ngayong April 2024? In a relationship na Taurus. What's coming sa kanilang love life? O may engagement. Okay. Merong commitment. So, yung iba sa inyo papasok sa commitment or bago pa lang yung relationship ninyo, yung commitment ninyo. You are getting to know each other. Kaya lang, maaring merong mga bagay pa na kailangan mong matutunan or matuklasan or malaman tungkol sa person na to. Okay? Before you commit deeply in this person. And of course, may mga bagay na hindi naman talaga kailangan madaliin. Kasi, hindi mo naman makikilala ang isang tao sa loob lang ng isang buwan, isang taon, 'di ba? So, it's a journey. So, maaring nasa stage pa kaya na you are still trying to figure out, no, yung isa't isa. Meron dito hindi pa nagpapakita ng totoong kulay niya. Yung totoong ugali, oo. Siyempre, lalo na pag bago pa lang, best foot forward. But I think, you are both, pareho naman kayo nag-e-effort na makilala yung isa't isa. Short term. Ice King. Meron dito hindi masyadong nag-e-express ng ng kanyang totoong nararamdaman. Yung parang pag tinanong mo, very limited lang yung sagot niya. Very casual. I don't know kung itong relationship na to may potential. Kasi mukhang short term. Hindi siya pang matagalan. Moon, feelings, the sun. Nako, the sun and the moon is here. So, medyo contradicting yung energies ninyo. You have mystic and flow. So, I think, take it easy dito sa connection na to, lalo na kung bago pa lang. You try to get to know each other, express your feelings, your thoughts. May mga bagay kasi sa ngayon na hindi mo pa pwedeng, ipilit na tipong gusto mo nang makilala yung parents niya or, you want more time with this person kahit na meron siyang ibang responsibilities. Oo, kumbaga, chill lang, go with the flow. Let's see. Overall energy ng inyong connection. You have the Judgment, 8 of Pentacles. I think pareho kayong may kanya-kanyang career na gustong i-pursue sa buhay. And I think naman sa situation nyo ngayon, mas practical yung setup ng relationship ninyo. Pwede kasi yung iba sa inyo nagsisimula pa lang na i-build ang kanilang career. Same goes with the other person. So, sa ngayon, maganda na nagkakaintindihan kayo at hindi masyadong nag-expect from each other. So, tingnan natin yung energy ng person mo. Three of Pentacles, of focus to sa kanyang kaperahan. Pwedeng earth sign to, of Taurus energy. So, of course, para sa inyo rin to. Kasi Taurus yung energy. Pwedeng pareho kayo may Taurus placements na malakas. Yeah, I think cooperative yung person mo eh. Seryoso naman siya. But not to the point na sasabihin niya lahat or kasi proseso naman yan eh. Nag-unfold yan every single day. Nakikilala mo yung tao. So this is your this is you. Okay. Yeah, I think magkasundo kayo in terms of career, sa pangarap ninyo, ano yung mga gusto nyong i-pursue sa buhay. I also see a soulmate connection, soulmate energy dito eh. Parang nagtitake ka rin ng risk with this person. Parang okay na, bahala na kung anong mangyayari sa connection na to. Alam mo yun, wala, maaring sa ngayon, you are not expecting that much sa person na to. Where's this relationship going? Marami pa kayong pagdadaanan, ng person na to. But I see you growing together. Pwede rin kasi tong tumagal, like, years to come. And from then, pwede kayong mag-decide if dadalhin nyo sa, next level yung relationship ninyo. Pwede pa nga tong umabot sa, engagement. So, syempre, nasa sa inyo na yan kung ipupursue nyo pa yung marriage in the future. Okay? But, if you are already, married with this person, I think, magpapatuloy yung relationship ninyo. You will still discover about your person as the years pass by. Kumbaga, habang tumatanda kayo, habang kayo together, you will experience more and discover yung mga bagay sa isa't isa. Okay? So, tingnan naman natin yung mga single dyan na Taurus. Mga walang relationship. Kasi pwede ka namang walang relationship pero merong potential partner, 'di ba? Let's see Taurus singles. Ano yung energy for you? Taurus singles. You are looking for love, definitely. Kaya lang, you are still in the process of healing. Alam mo yung tipong gusto mo ng relationship pero hindi ka pa ready. May ganun. Kung pwede lang, parang ganun. Kung pwede lang na ready ka, pero yung iba sa inyo hindi pa kayo ready for a commitment, for a relationship, you are still in the process of healing from your past. Pwede kasi kayong na-betray ng inyong romantic partner. See, merong third party situation. You want someone, na gusto mo, tong person na to ay talagang mahal mo, Pwedeng naghihintay ka rin naman ng tamang tao na darating sa'yo. Kaya lang yung iba sa inyo, ang dumarating may sabit. Kaya yung iba na pupunta sa isang sitwasyon na pag-uusapan, pinag-chismisan, ganyan. So, may gossip sa paligid ninyo. People are talking about your life, about your love life. Bawa may makita lang sila na kasama mo, issue agad, ganon. Lalo na kung yung kasama mo may asawa or alam ng iba may asawa, so nagiging issue. So, you have Taurus, Libra, energy, balance, and moon. I think, if the right person, kung nga dyan na talaga yung person para sa'yo, mararamdaman mo. You will definitely know. Pwedeng ang person ay isang Libra, or kapareho mo na Taurus, pwede rin Cancerian energy. Yes. Kailangan mo lang daw ng patience. Kasi kapag minadali mo to, pwede kang, Pwede ka lang ma-stress. But definitely, there is someone coming to your life. Oo, wag lang madaliin. So, if there is someone in your life right now na may potential pero hindi ka pa ready, then wag mo munang madaliin. Kasi eventually, may darating. Someone who will treat you right. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye.